In previous video we have made this all the things here. We have changed this here, that we have extract this file. Now I want to upload this file and save in the database. First of all, we have to make on table. Here I will make this table name as post. Blog post, I may need 2 or 3 here, column more. I will give ID, title, and then category. Then I will give CRIPTM description, and I will give image link. For this I will give this as image. Sorry, for here you can give image link or image, and I will give here link of the image here. Now here what is remaining? 5 field we have done. 1 2 3 4 5. As remaining is 1 text. Now I will use timestamp. I'm using timestamp still, but I am not showing any time until now. I will show when we will extract that time in our post. Now last is upload by. My habit is gone on saving everything in short interval. Let's make all this barrier except the first one. This is, and first one should be int, and I will auto increment it. Okay, let's create here. Everything is okay, I think there, and we have to pass here. I'll pass title of 500 length, category maybe 50 is enough for category. Description I will use 5000 here, and image link it may be, I think 400, no, 40 is enough for this. Tag I will use 1000, and timestamp 30. It is not needed, but, and this also 30. Let's save it. As we have get the structure of this table. Now we will insert the value here. When this button submit is clicked, copy here and paste here. If set $_post, we are concerned with post method here also, and paste this. Let's extract $title is equal to MySQLi real escape string $connection, comma $_post. There may be post title. Let's check this all thing. Post title, I think here this is name is post title. Yes, this is post title. Let's copy this for 4 or 5 times. This is thing post tags. $tags post category post description. I think this is DSC and DSC, and this is dollar category. Let's see once more. There is post title, post tags, post category, and post description. Let's check again here. Category. Yes, this is all thing here. Let's check if empty. We need not to check category because category will not be empty here because it have already present on selected value. Title or empty dollar tags or empty dollar description. We will just echo all field are needed. Else let's take the file name from the file, that is we have to copy this file, upload this file here, and first of all check if dollar underscore files, and we have to give the names of this file and name double is equal to null, then just echo suppose image is, I will make this image as dollar image. I will make initialize here dollar image equal to, I will initialize null value here, and dollar image is equal to, I will give this default name of this image will be default. This will not have. First of all, let's place this empty name with this image name. This is the name of image, and now place this. Else if is not empty, then we will give the image name. Here is this name. Now let's echo this dollar image so that we will confirm this is uploading here. Now I will refresh this page. Here I will select one image. So this is some image. Let's see. Yes, we have to enter this file to here, and so that we will move there. Open, and this we have get this name here that I have uploaded. Let's see if we have not uploaded the file, and this it is not showing anything because it has moved to this loop. It will not move to this loop, so it will not make this. Here make sure that it will work, and then we have to insert $add post query is equal to insert into blog post values. We have to pass here. I think first one is title. Let's make sure here title, category, description. Category, description, and then no more. Image tag, timestamp, and upload by. Image tags, timestamp, make sure all the things that we have here spelling should be same in this bracket. Now we will pass the values here. We have to pass values in this quotation because they are all the character. Now first one is $title, and second one is I think dollar category, and third one is description, fourth one is image, dollar image. So for these we have to pass the pass here. No need to pass here dollar image, dollar text, and dollar timestamp, and I pass here admin. Here dollar timestamp I have not defined till here. Now we will make timestamp here. Equal to time. This we have done everything here. Before that I have to make something that I have to upload the file that I should move that file to the folder. First of all I will create a folder here, and let's go to PHP Blog, and I will create a folder called blog image. Let's move here and let's clear here. Now I have to move the files here. Before that I have to pass the path. Dollar path is equal to, I will make C blog. I think this is the blog images, and I will give this name I will provide dollar image. Now I should move upload file, and there it will take to parameter. I will pass dollar path here. It's the second parameter, and first parameter is the temporary name of the file. This will be get from dollar file, and this will give here tmp underscore name. Here this will give the name of this image. Now here I have moved this file, and I should insert this. First of all, I will move this value here. Now I will create this. Here I will not add anything here, and here also this here too, and I will upload on picture. I have downloaded some pictures, and it should move this. Let's check the folder. Yes, we have got here, and this is the image. Now we have to create that. I have to insert in this blog post. For this, $r is equal to, I will make this mysqli underscore query, and it will take to parameter connection and query, add post query. If $r, because it will give in the boolean value, I will echo post added successfully. Else I'll just echo the error I will get from mysqli underscore error and dollar connection. It is giving me 10. Let's see it. Let's get dummy content here. This is the post, text post, comma this, comma is, I will this PHP, and this is the post description. This will be the file, and let's upload this. As this post upload successfully, it should be given in this table also. As we have get this title, categories, PHP, description, and image link. Here are tags, and this is timestamp, and this is who upload this or edit this. And again we have to get this file. Yes, again we have to get this file. In this video, this was for this video. We have uploaded this. In next video we will extract all these posts and images here, and we will, I think this edit will not work here. I will integrate here, and I think here we will make more thing here. Thank you for watching this video.